Oh, you take a picture?
Huh?
Recording?
Hmm?
Alright guys, hour and a half later, pretty simple install. You need a 12 mil, 13 mil, 14 mil. The kit comes with all the Allen wrenches you're going to need. You don't really need to flip that bolt that holds the rear linkage. It says you need to for the clearance, but as you can see, we were able to clear it with about an inch of clearance space without needing to flip the bolt. Up to you if you want to do it or not. So haven't fired it up myself yet. Let's fire it up, see how it sounds.